Hi, this video is ACG 12, Grammar 4. The title is Preposition 像 in Mandarin. We have an example from Conversation 2. 邓小丽，她时常向我诉苦。邓小丽, she always complains to me. And we want to simplify the sentence, so we delete some unwanted part. And we have this one. 她向我诉苦. And this is the basic format to use 向. This is a preposition, and this format is used to show that someone do something to others. We use the basic sentence to compare with this format. Subject, verb, object. The main differences between the basic sentence and this format is that we move the verb behind the object and use the preposition to replace it. And the reason we do this is that the last part of the verb is a noun, and it cannot be connected with the object directly. I repeat the main points. We move the verb behind the object and use a preposition to replace it. And the reason we do this is that the last part of the verb is a noun, so it cannot be connected with the object directly. A verb can be formed by using two words. If the second part of this verb is a noun, we should use the preposition to show the target of an action. Because basically a noun cannot connect with the object or another noun directly. We use the 诉苦 as an example. 诉 means tell. It is a verb. 苦 means unhappy. It is a noun. And the form of verb means complaint. And because the second part of this verb is a noun, so it cannot connect with another object or another noun directly. That's why we should use the preposition 向 to show the target of an action. We have two examples. This is the first one. And we use a verb 下手. 下 means use. It is a verb. 手 means the hand. It is a noun. And the form of verb means commit a crime. The second part of this verb is a noun, so it cannot connect with the object directly. Now we look at the example. 小偷向那个老人家下手. The thief steals something from the senior. We move the verb behind the object and use the preposition 向 to replace it, because the second part of this verb is a noun, so it cannot connect with the object directly. Example 2. We use the verb 求婚. 求 means ask for. It is a verb. 婚 means marriage. It is a noun. And the form of a verb means propose marriage. The second part of this verb is a noun, so it cannot connect with the object directly. Now we look at the example. 小明向小丽求婚. 小明 proposes to 小丽. We move the verb behind the object and use the preposition 向 to replace it, because the second part of the verb is a noun, so it cannot connect with the object directly.